How you guys doing? It's your boy Rod here again with another video. ETW, Express Team Wave, all the good stuff. Today we're going to do unboxing for some things that my friend sent me. If you've seen another video that I did an interview with some great folks at C2E2 2020, and they are Euphoric TreeFort. They are a clothing line and candle company that I met, did a great interview with. You can catch that video by the link down below. I'll put that down below. You can check that out, learn everything about them. But I finally got a package from them. This is it, their logo. Yeah, finally got it. And we're gonna open it up. It's the holidays, and so I got some of these things for my friends for Christmas. So I'll be wrapping these up and sending them out. Well, not sending them out, but delivering to my friends these items once I get the box open here. Got my utility scissors that I might jab myself in the face with, but I hope not. All right, got that open. Safety first. I didn't cut the top. Okay, I'm gonna get my this here to do the top part. A little safety joint. Oh, I don't think you show knives on. I don't know. Anyway, that's open now. I don't know if you can show knives. Can you show knives on YouTube? Scissors? All right, so open it up. Euphoric TreeFort. Nice little card. It's got all their information on it, all their social media, then a bunch of things you can get down below. They want you to leave a review, of course, so that's nice. So far, so good. They're doing great. Then you get this nice little sticker, their logo. That's cool. Open it up. What is this? This is a shipping label. Price. Oh, you don't need to see that, but that's that. And let's see here. Nice little keychain. I got this keychain because of how much money I spent. So nice little keychain. It was free. Comes with you order a certain amount of money, you get that free. Nice packaging on top. So I was worried that since the post office has been like bagged up and having a bunch of issues, I was worried that, and it took like a week for me to get this, even though it was 2-day shipping. It took a week for me to get this, and I was thinking, well, man, there's no telling what condition these candles are going to be in, the smell-o-vision candles. So I was really worried about that. But as I look in the box, they've done a great job of packaging. So they got another layer on the bottom, and they got a layer on the top, and then the individual candles are bubble wrapped. So very good packaging. And then looking at the candle, just inspecting, absolutely no problems. I'm so happy. My boys is this is great. So I ordered, I forgot what I ordered. What did I order? I ordered 6 sets of 2. I ordered the most of their candles are smell-o-vision. They want you to light the candle, sit back, Netflix and chill, watch some movies, and all the candles are inspired from TV shows, anime, movies, things like that. So I got the Crystal Gem Glow Pack, I got the Catch 'em All Pack, which is Pokemon, and then I got the Tarantino Movie Pack. So 2 each. Comes with each set is 2 candles. So like this one is grass type, so that's Bulbasaur, Pokemon. Yeah, that's that. This is the one that will kill me if I smell it, so I'm gonna put that one back. I'm allergic to grass, and I smelt it when I met them, and it almost killed me. You can see that also in the video, but like I said, each one nicely packaged, bubble wrap. Let's see what this one is. Now I gotta determine what friends get what. What is this one? Lion Liquors. I think this is from the gym pack. I'm thinking that's what that is. It's a mango vanilla ice cream bar smell. Yeah. So very, very unique smell. All of their candles are just like scientifically done because if you watch the video, the two owners, one is a biochemist, if I remember, and one is an engineer. So they know what they're doing with these candles, and very happy to get these. Very, very happy. Just a quick little video. Of course, this is Euphoric TreeFort. Check them out. They got clothes, they got hoodies, they got t-shirts, keychains, and of course, the great candles that you can light. Oh, and I forgot, each candle comes with a striker on the bottom, right there, striker on the bottom, ingredients, and it comes with its own match. You can't really see it, but it comes with its own matches, like up under this tab here. So up under this tab here, it comes with its own matches. I'm trying to see one of them. Yeah, you can't really see, but comes matches included, a few matches. So right away out the box, you can get your smell-o-vision on, your Netflix and chill. You know, the lady might be coming over, you want to watch a movie, have a little dinner, a little wine, a little thing like that. Go ahead and light your smell-o-vision candle. You might even be watching a movie or a show that the candle is from, and then you get that fragrance and like, ooh, that smells. And now you're thinking about Bulbasaur smelling like grass, and it won't be me doing that because I die, but you know, all that good stuff. The Tarantino, I think one is the haberdashery. I think it's like coffee, so that's based. The haberdashery was like a place where you can get coffee and breakfast, stuff like that. So pretty cool, pretty cool. My great friends, Euphoric TreeFort, and their smell-o-vision candles. Go get some. It's not too late. Christmas time is here. You know the ladies like candles, but not just get any old candle. Get something that's inventive. You know what I'm saying? I'll catch you guys later. It's been a quick video. Check out more. Check out the links below. Check out my other videos, reviews, unboxing, all that great things. And I will check you out. My guys and lady at Euphoric TreeFort, I love you and love your product. And finally, we got something from you guys. So this is a follow-up. So shout out to you guys. Merry Christmas, everyone. And ROD will catch you out. And later.